You are going to learn da, ji, zu, de, do in this lesson. The consonant of the letters is D, but you will not see the consonant in the table. So you need to add 10 in ta, chi, tsu, de, to. Then the letters won't be ta, chi, tsu, de, to anymore, but they're gonna be da, ji, zu, de, do. And we don't have a D sound, and we don't have a do sound. So instead of D, we have a G. Instead of do, we have a zu. So it's gonna be da, ji, zu, de, do. Okay, let's practice. First one is da. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 10. Da, da. One is ji. 1, 2, 10. Ji, ji. So the pronunciation of these two letters are exactly same. Ji. This one is zu. 1, and then 10. Zu, zu. And the pronunciation of those two letters are exactly same. Zu. Okay, the next one is de. 1, and then 10. De, de. The last one is do. 1, 2, then 10. Do, do. Let's review. What is this? Da. What is this? Do. What is this? Zu. What is this? Ji. What is this? De. Very good. You've learned the 5 letters da, ji, zu, de, do in this lesson. So next will be na, ni, nu, ne, no. See you in the next lesson.